Hi guys, I'm back in Eastbourne, this time for a last-minute trip for Airbourne 2024.
Here now, with the encourage down. Let us remember those crews that stopped us to make their way back from the unification across Europe and from long years, and also those inside the
And there he goes. Tom is now inverted. He's going to fly all the way along the fly line like that, hanging in his straps, while Michael literally tucks in tight right under the tail of Tom's aircraft. Really, really close. Really terrific piece of formation flying. There we go. Very swift. Challenge from Lord Rothermere to produce the fastest commercial aircraft in Europe. He first flew in April 1935, but the Air Ministry themselves were so impressed by the performance that they ordered modified design as a Type 142M for the Royal Air Force as a bomber. Deliveries of this newly named Blenheim to the Royal Air Force squadrons commenced in March 1937. Blenheim was one of the first British aircraft with an all-metal stress skin construction, retractable landing gear, flaps, a powered gun turret, and variable pitch propellers. At the time it came into service, it was faster than most of the fighters of the late 1930s, but was quickly overtaken by development of monoplane fighters, which made most of these bombers particularly vulnerable, especially in daylight.
There was something majestic and commanding about the D-Day memorial flight, featuring the Blenheim and the Spitfires.
Opportunity to see each of them perform individually.
South Blenheim on the brake. South.
John calling the brake.
Turbo in the Typhoon!
Capable of such supersonic speeds. Here the little canards at the front are twitching away. They're keeping absolute control, so the aircraft, whatever turbo does now, it will still remain in controlled flight. Right on the edge of what any other aircraft would be very, very close to the stall.
sight and sound of the Typhoon is both thrilling and terrifying, and the skill needed to control it completely blows my mind. I was fixed on wanting to see the moon rising above the sea, so we stuck around Eastbourne and came across a brilliant cover band playing on the pier.
Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
I thoroughly enjoyed the day out, which was a spur-of-the-moment decision to visit. It was good to be out again and filming. I definitely need to invest in a better tripod next time. See you on the next one.